You have the properties in different aspects. For example, agriculture, building, real estate, wasteland, wetland. Yes, we agree. You have the layout and documents of your land. But do you know spatial appearance of your land? Enjoy to seeing this aerial view. This is not just a fantasy video clip. It tells you a meaningful truth. Yes. Without the knowledge of spatial appearance, land overview and accurate measurements, your land utilization plan will be wrong. We are here to support you, to show your land surface in an expressive way. Geospatial Solutions, a geospatial fantasy cluster for seekers who enhance their land information through unmanned aerial vehicle system. The core services are drone-based surficial geodata collection, 3D topography mapping, structural and volumetric analysis, hydrological analysis, agricultural applications and intelligent monitoring support for industries.
Few of our real projects, for your kind reference. 3D topography analysis of the residential home at Kovaipudu area.
We have the advanced software that creates 3D topography from the drone image.
The digital elevation model shows elevation of the surface in millimeter level accuracy. The coverage area and perimeter of the rooftop is estimated from geometric calculations. Volumetric analysis is carried out to leveling the land surface. The volume of sand from above and below the base level is estimated accurately. The structure of the building shape is examined from the cross-sectional view. The cross-sections from north to south and east to west can be estimated from the 3D analysis. Another area in Chettiplaya. Vegetation count is very important in agriculture. We have the advanced technique algorithm to estimate plant count in the agriculture area. Here we show the coconut tree count. We provide entire geospatial services in a professional manner. We are Geospatial Solutions.